So I'm Yanyan Araña. I'm the clinic manager of Victoria by Loveyourself. And Loveyourself is a non-government organization. It is founded by our executive director, Ronavin Pagtakhan. Okay. Okay, to give you a little background on what's happening in the Philippines right now, in terms of HIV and AIDS, on the recent data published by the HIV and AIDS and ART, Registry of the Philippines, there are an average of 36 individuals who are getting HIV in the Philippines right now. I'm getting out of breath, sorry. Anyways, okay. So 36 people are getting diagnosed with HIV every day. In April 2019, published by the DOH Epidemiology Bureau, there are 840 newly confirmed HIV individuals. And since January 1984 to April 2019, there are 66,303 total reported cases of HIV. Okay. Several years before, one of the major reasons why Filipinos don't want to get tested for HIV is because of the fear that other people might know their status, may it be negative or positive. Okay, so I remember one story shared to us by our founding member and Loveyourself. He got tested for HIV in one of the social hygiene clinics in Manila. Then, upon entering the room, one nurse shouted that, "Oh, he's having HIV testing, so go get his blood." Yeah, he said that to one of his co-nurse. So as if on cue, other people who are getting other services, as if on cue, they all looked at him at the same time with a very judgmental face at their face. So even though he have experienced that, he still pushed through with the testing, with the encouragement of his sister. Okay, so other Filipino have experienced that as well, awful situation. And the establishment of our community centers is one way to address that gap. I mean, to provide a safe and non-judgmental space for every Filipino. Okay, so Loveyourself is a non-government organization. We're a volunteer-driven organization. I myself started in 2015 as a volunteer. And right now we have 1,200 passionate volunteers in our organization. And they came from different sectors and industries working with one same cause. Since 2011 to March 2019, we have served 108,833 clients in our community centers, 52,000 online community of supporters and friends, 3,800 reactive clients linked into our treatment centers. 50% of all the reported HIV cases in the National Capital Region in Manila, Philippines, came from Loveyourself. And 15.8% is the Loveyourself's contribution to the total data in the whole Philippines. And right now, we have 6 community centers. One, Loveyourself Anglo, in Shaw, Loveyourself Uni, Okay, so much for that. So right now, it is situated in the most, in different areas in the Philippines where there are high numbers of HIV prevalence. Okay. So sometime in 2016, while in a cab, my boss, Princess Ronavin, and our fairy godmother, Dr. Lloyd Norelia, thought of why not create a transgender-focused community centers. We have established our services and our reach already for our target before, which is the MSM community. Okay, and thanks to Universe, the stars have aligned and Victoria by Loveyourself was established. Okay. Sorry. And this is my girls, Victoria by Loveyourselves. So in 2017, initially we offered HIV screening and counseling. In 2017, we have served 408 clients. In 2018, we have served 1,029. And in 2019, as of June 2019, we have screened 634 individuals. Then come September 2017, we have started offering hormone replacement therapy consultation and counseling to our trans brothers and sisters. In 2017, 66 individuals came to our community center to seek counseling and consultation for HRT. In 2018, 268, we have accommodated 268 clients. And in 2019, as of June, we have accommodated 349. Sorry, I forgot. 2019, okay. Okay, so in terms of HRT consultation, not only trans people came into our community center, but also their family, and the aim for them to have knowledge as well in terms of SOGSE and to understand their family members who are undergoing transitioning as well. So on January 2018, Victoria by Loveyourself became a satellite treatment hub, and we are able to give HIV treatment care and support. In 2018, we have enrolled 525 clients, and in 2019, 365 clients, in total 819. In February 2018, we started offering STI, sexually transmitted infection consultation. So in 2018, we have served 335 clients. In 2019, we have served, as of June, 204 clients. So as you can see, we have a lot of going on in our community centers. We have HIV screening, HRT consultation, STI and HIV treatment as well. So all in all, we have served 4,183 clients, Filipino clients. Okay, and just this week we launched our new service, which is the free dental consultation. I know a lot of you will be asking, why dental consultation? So in Manila, one of the reasons why PLHIVs, person living with HIVs, have poor oral health is because they fear they might get discriminated when they go to dentist, something like that. Okay, and because they fear that the dentist might discriminate them because of their status. And they aim to address that in the partnership with Batitis Dentistry and Associates. We had a partnership with them and gave service in the aim to address that gap. Okay. Actually, the American Dental Association actually recommends that the dental health care be part of the HIV and AIDS treatment plan. That's because PLHIVs has more risk and are more susceptible in infection, including dental infections. Okay. In the coming months, we'll be offering another preventive method in terms of HIV and AIDS, which is the pre-exposure prophylaxis. And hopefully, this year we'll be able to launch another service, which is called self-care, bringing HIV testing closer to their home. Both services are promoted by our beautiful Miss Universe Queens and Loveyourself volunteers, Catriona Elisa Gray and Pia Wurtzbach. And of course, we're not limiting ourselves in just the four corners of our community centers. We also conduct outreach activities. We discuss HIV and AIDS, SOGSE and trans health, lectures and workshops to schools and companies. Okay. Also, we conduct events, mass testing events. Okay, so I remember a line from my favorite cartoon. I know I'm not quoting a philanthropist or what, but my favorite cartoon. So it's the Lilo and Stitch. Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. Okay, so I realized in 2016, we have established already services for our trans brothers and sisters. But then I realized, how about those trans people who has disabilities? So that is why in 2018, all of my girls and volunteers in Loveyourself has studied basic sign language, basic Filipino sign language, in order to provide more service to our deaf and mute clients. And after that, we've seen notable increase in testing and treatment from our deaf and mute trans brothers and sisters. And I guess I'd like to end my presentation by thanking all of you and also all of the people behind our success. All of these things wouldn't be possible with our funders, collaborative efforts with our passionate volunteers, local government units, and hopefully with all of these things that we have done, we continue to inspire other people to create a ripple of positive change to our community and hopefully in the coming years eradicating AIDS and HIV hopefully. And once again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po and have a great day.